Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson, that is the bar graphs, and we are going to begin with practice set 18. So everybody will take your maths textbook and open page number 37. Now I am going to read. Just listen carefully. This bar graph shows the maximum temperatures in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. So they have given us a bar graph which is giving information about the maximum temperatures in few cities, and that temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, and this was recorded on certain day in month of February. What we have to do? Observe the graph and answer the questions. So they have given us 5 questions. We have to observe the graph carefully and answer those questions. So now let's get started. The first question: what data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal lines? So the vertical line means this one, which is our y-axis. Yes, and the data shown on y-axis is the temperature. Means temperature. We get information about temperature because of y-axis or horizontal line. Vertical line, not horizontal. Now the horizontal line, that is this one. Yeah, this is our x-axis, which gives us information about the cities. Yes, so you can write the answer. Temperature is shown on the vertical lines and cities or different cities are shown on the horizontal lines. Next, which city had the highest temperature? So you can see the longest bar. This is the longest bar and the city is Chandrapur. So you can write there, Chandrapur city had the highest temperature. Next question: which cities had equal maximum temperature? So the equal maximum temperature, we will look at the bars. At 25 degree we are having 2 bars, that are these 2 bars. Now which are those 2 bars? Which cities are they showing us? Yes, Panchgani and Matheran. So these 2 are the cities which have equal maximum temperature, that is 25 degree Celsius. Which are those cities? Panchgani and Matheran. And one more pair is there which has equal temperature, that is they have 30 degrees Celsius. Which are those cities? Pune and Nashik. So this is the second pair which has maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. So this was our third answer. Now the fourth question is, which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? So look at 30 degrees Celsius and which bars are we getting? Yes, this one and this. So which are those cities? Pune and Nashik. So Pune and Nashik cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Got the answer? And the last question: what is the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchgani and Chandrapur? So first let us look at Panchgani. So here we have Panchgani. What is its temperature? 25. Now I will use some other color. Okay, suppose this color. Next is Chandrapur. So here is Chandrapur. What is its temperature? 35. Now what we are going to do? We will have to find the difference. So we have to subtract. 35 minus 25 will give us the difference 10. That means 10 degree Celsius. So the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchgani and Chandrapur is 10 degree Celsius. So this is how we have answered the question by observing the graph. Now how to write in CW? Just see here. So now write down these notes in your CW. This is one of the lesson from algebra section. So write the lesson's name, date, and write down this note. Take a screenshot and complete it. After writing these 7 points, you can continue the further points. That is from point number 8. Here it is. So you have to complete all these notes. You have to start with practice set 18. So you have to write the question. This bar graph and so something is given. See in your textbook, write this full question. After that question, there is a bar graph in your textbook. No need to draw that bar graph. Just write this sentence. Refer bar graph page number 37. Okay, this statement you can write. After that, you will write the question 1 from your textbook, and answer I will give you next page. So one page I will show you just now on the screen. That page you are going to refer for the answers, and questions are there in your textbook. Copy question from textbook and take the answers from this video. Then next question, next answer. Okay, and like this complete the notes and practice set in your CW. So these are the answers which you will need while writing the answers to that above 5 question. So you can refer the answers from here and write the notes and the practice set neatly in your CW.